Hey, what's up everyone? Just want to share my experience repairing this Frigidaire range model CPES 3085 KF1. What happened to me is we had a power failure, and also we were using the self-clean feature at the time of the power failure. So first the door got locked, we had to reset the breaker, but then afterwards we were whenever we use the self-clean feature and then hit start, we get the F20 error. So, and the other symptom was that the burners weren't working. Whenever I turned any four of the elements, nothing would show up on the displays and none of the elements would heat up. So, researching the F20 error, it's a communications error between these two boards. So you can usually check between the orange connectors. What I did is I first replaced this board, which is the power control board, for the elements, and then that didn't fix the issue. So then I replaced the electronic oven control, this big panel here, which also didn't fix the issue. And then I also tried replacing the relay board on the back, which I can't show you right now, but that didn't fix the issue either. So in the end, after further troubleshooting, I realized it was just the thermal fuse here that was the problem all along, which you can see if you look at the wiring diagram here. It's just this small guy right here between the two boards. So it's quick. You can just press that button in actually afterwards, and it will reset the fuse. And once I just reset that, everything started working again. So the elements are functioning again. And just as a side note, there is a similar fuse on the back side, which deals with the oven circuit. So that one is on the wiring diagram right here. Thermal circuit breaker. So if you're getting the F20 error when you're using the self-clean and your elements aren't working, check those two fuses first. Make sure that they're not flipped before you go about replacing any controllers like I did. So hopefully this can save someone some time, and yeah, thanks for watching.